everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Megan. Thanks so much for watching. I make videos all about mom things, vegan lifestyle things, and my weight loss journey. Today I'm back with another mom type video for you guys. I have an Usborne book haul for you. Recently, one of my coworkers had an Usborne book party on Facebook, and anytime one of my friends has one of those book parties, I do try to participate and buy a couple of books here and there, because I do think that the Usborne books are really good, and they do have a lot of cute books as well, so I try to support them in that because my daughter loves books. I have a almost 2.5-year-old at this point, and she cannot get enough of books. So anyways, before I get into everything, make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss any uploads, and also go follow me over on my Instagram. So let's get into showing you everything that I got in this recent order from Usborne. Let me say this, I am not affiliated with them. I don't sell their books, I just like them, okay? That's it. Okay, so the first one, if you watch my What I Got Seeley for Halloween video, you will see it. But I got this Personalizable Ballerina book where I can put Seeley's name here and it'll basically be like Seeley the ballerina. She is really into dance, and so I thought this book would be perfect for her, and it's a nice sturdy board book, and her name will be like throughout the book as well. So I'm really excited for her to have this book. I think she's absolutely going to love it. The next book that I got is a question book. What is poop? And it's a lift the flap type book. So I'll show you if you can see some of the pages there. So let's see. So the flaps obviously lift up, there's questions, and then answers. So Seeley is getting to that age where she has a lot of questions, and I don't always want to answer her questions. So I will say that, but I thought, why not get a couple of books that are going to answer some of these questions? So I got a few more of those type of books. I got another one about germs, which is really important in this day and age with everything going on in the world and with her in general at this point. If you haven't watched a few videos back, Seeley has been sick for over a month now, and we are still trying to figure out what's going on with her. So yeah, there's that. So I got this one about germs, and I also got another one in this same series about feelings. The next one I got is a wipe clean pen control book. She is really into like scribbling and pretending to write, so I thought this would be perfect for her. We are also planning for her to go to school next year, and at least for half days. So I thought this would be good practice for her, especially since she's already like really showing interest. And what this is it just has like different shapes for her to be able to trace. So and the good thing is it is completely wipeable, so she can practice over and over again. The next book that I got is this owl book. Well, it's called This Is Owl. And I heard this one is a really good book. It says a flapping, tapping, clapping interactive book. So I'm not sure exactly what that means, but it had rave reviews and came highly recommended to me. And the last book that I got for her is a Shine a Light book. This one is Secrets of the Vegetable Garden, and you're supposed to be able to shine a light through the pages and it will like reveal things to you. So I'm not really sure like how it works or if I can even like show you on camera. Yeah, I don't know how it works. Anyways, you're supposed to be able to shine a flashlight through the pages and it will like reveal things to you. So she's a little young for this book, but I think with it being interactive, she might really be into it. And of course we had to get one about a vegetable garden because we're vegan. And that all started from her food allergies, but is now more of a lifestyle change for sure, and definitely on the whole, at least for me, on the bandwagon of like treatment of animals and ethicalness, if that's a word. I don't know if that's a word, but I'm like for health, for the animals, for like global warming, for all the things, you know, just all the things. So anyways, that is everything that I got from Usborne Books recently. I only intended to get like 1 or 2 books, and as you can see, I came out with a stack of books. So yeah, I ended up spending like $100. Don't tell my husband. So anyways, that is going to be it for this video, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and also leave your favorite Usborne books down in the comments below. I would love to know which books you like from them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.